Despite limited resources and capacity, the Philippines has actually done a good job in handling the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the positive remark of an official from the World Health Organization, hailing the country for keeping its COVID-related deaths much lower than other countries. Sweden Velado Ramirez has more.
Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque warmly received the positive feedback of World Health Organization representative to the Philippines, Dr. Rabindra Abeyasinghe. The WHO official was impressed that even with limited capacity, the country's COVID-19 death toll is relatively lower compared to other countries with higher capacity and resources. He understands that the Philippines is a middle-income country. Hence, people should not expect for a first-world type of response.
The Philippines has done a good job. Yung mga pumupula po sa gobyerno, yan po ay galing mismo sa WHO.
The Department of Health's data show that of around 1.4 million COVID-19 cases in the Philippines, we have recorded a recovery rate of almost 95%. Around 26,000 succumbed to the virus, equivalent to 1.76%. The country might just reach the 14 million mark this week with continued fast and efficient vaccine rollout. NTF Against COVID-19 Deputy Chief Implementer Vince Dizon shared on the first 2 weeks of July alone, 4 million vaccine doses were administered and added to the tally.
Ito po ang pinakamarami at pinakamabilis na 2 linggo na pagbakuna natin simula nung tayo'y nag-launch ng program natin noong March 1.
According to Secretary Roque, 89 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines have been procured by the government. It amounts to $1 billion. The government has so far paid $400 million using the national budget and with the help of multilateral financial institutions. Meanwhile, Roque also shared good news for Filipinos in some Middle Eastern countries where the Philippines has imposed travel restrictions.
Pinayagan din po ng inyong IATF ang special commercial flights para makauwi po ang stranded Filipinos sa Oman, Dubai, Abu Dhabi at iba pang mga bansa na mayroon tayong travel restrictions.
With regard to IATF's recommendation to enforce travel restrictions for Indonesia and Malaysia, where COVID-19 cases due to Delta variant are high, Roque said they're just waiting for President Duterte's decision. Sweden Velado Ramirez,